Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've done that, don't forget to comment or like or share if you can. Today I'm going to show you how to change the margins of your pages. Now to do this is so simple. You just need to go to layout, and then you can choose margins, because in Microsoft Word each page automatically has 1 inch margin. So you can customize or choose predefined margin settings and do really whatever you want to do with it. Now this is a normal one. I want to go narrow margins. So you can see my pages have changed. If I want to go wide, so I can go wide. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye.